Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses mostly North Dakota, mostly South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Seasons tomorrow's enhanced include Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, and Moorhead, Minnesota. We have a slight tomorrow covering a little bit of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, most of Nebraska, most of Kansas, far southeastern Colorado, the central part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and north central part of the Texas Panhandle, as well as western Iowa and parts of Minnesota. Seasons tomorrow's slate include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and St. Cloud, Minnesota. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. The dark green is the marginal. So, seasons tomorrow's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow covering parts of North Dakota. The 10% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Devil's Lake, North Dakota. Alright? There is a 5% tornado risk area tomorrow covering parts of North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and far northwestern Minnesota. The 5% tornado risk area for tomorrow includes Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and West Fargo, North Dakota. Areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area for tomorrow. Alright? The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and Fremont, North Dakota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger tomorrow, alright? Areas in the black dashed area are the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger tomorrow, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0s. Okay? Seasons in the black dashed area tomorrow include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Jamestown, North Dakota. Going to tomorrow's wind threat. There is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts reaching or exceeding 58 miles per hour tomorrow. Alright? The 45% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses parts of North Dakota and north central South Dakota. Alright? The 45% wind risk area tomorrow includes Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Devil's Lake, North Dakota. We have a 30% chance for damaging wind gusts reaching or exceeding 58 miles per hour tomorrow, covering parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and Watertown, South Dakota. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% wind risk area for tomorrow. Alright? And the brown is the 5% wind risk area for tomorrow. Alright? The yellow is the 15% and the brown is the 5%. The 30% is in the red and the 45% is in the pink. So, anyway, taking the 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and St. Cloud, Minnesota. And the 5% wind risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, The 5% includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher for thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Alright, the black dashed area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Basebrook, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, and Grand Island, Nebraska. And now for the hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright? That encompasses central North Dakota and north central South Dakota. The 30% hail risk area tomorrow includes Basebrook, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Minden, North Dakota, and Jamestown, North Dakota. Areas in the yellow, we have a 15% hail risk tomorrow covering parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and western Minnesota. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, and Kearney, Nebraska. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch, 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright? The brown is the 5% hail risk. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Madison, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow than the black dashed, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail, alright? So yeah. Hail in the black dashed area tomorrow include Basebrook, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, North Platte, Nebraska, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. Alright, so in summary, numerous severe thunderstorms are likely to develop across parts of the northern plains and upper Mississippi Valley Tuesday afternoon into night. Very large hail, tornadoes, a few of which could be strong, and damaging winds with significant gusts appear likely. So, that's your day 2 outlook for severe weather. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Stay safe tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.